Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we're standing on a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. Guys, if you've ever seen the 23 from years past, this is a complete redo of that boat, and that's why they call it an SDX, not an SPX. It's a massive improvement. 8.5 foot wide. This boat feels like you could put the old 23 inside it. It's huge, it's awesome. So, kicking off at the back, you've got either a 200 or a 250 for Mercury. In this case, a 250 V8. They have put the ladder under the deck, which I love. They've made this swim platform massive with a lay down headrest. It works way better than you think that it should. The walk through this boat is much deeper. Option for a power sport tower here. And I left this hanging on purpose, guys, because I want to show off the way they hold the canvas up instead of all the poles. So nice and neat. They're going to give you inductive charging tables. They've moved the stereo over to the passenger side with a killer flip-flop seat that still has a bolster in front of it. They've made this into a 1.5, comfy for those sunset nights. Twin screens are an option that we have here, as well as trim tabs, all sorts of lighting all over this boat. Of course, you know that Mercury system works very well. Guys, the table in this 23, or the bathroom rather, quite large here. And the bow's massive. The biggest things that a family is going to notice about this boat is it is deeper than it ever was before. It is larger and heavier. You have more screen real estate. It feels like you have more seating real estate. If you guys are even looking for an upgrade from a prior 23, come visit us in Sarasota. I'm Jeremiah. Reach out to me or any of my team. We'd love to put you on board.